Good morning, Peter. Yes, Peter. Good morning. Good
Good
morning, children.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Richard. I hope the 3 steps we did yesterday, you all remember how impulse is created, how it is propagated. All this is done. Yes, Peter. Maintenance of resting membrane potential. You're confident? Then generation and conduction of nerve impulse. That is resting potential. Then action potential, and then propagation of action potential. Is it okay? Fine with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I move further?
Yes,
Yes, Peter. Yes, synaptic transmission of impulses. First, let's understand what is the word synapse, though I'm sure you've done it in class 10th. Junction between two neurons. Like railway stations are also known as junctions in India because they connect two places. So we call them as junctions. Similarly, here synapse is also a junction, but it is junction between two neurons. That means one neuron is joined to the other neuron. And what is that area known as? Tell me quickly. Synapse. What is it called, beta?
synapse.
See, if this is the one neuron, let us assume that, let me show the figure to you. See, if this is one neuron, these are the dendrites. Can you see these dendrites? Then where are my dendrites? Let me go back to you again. Yes, these are the dendrites. If you can see, this picture is more clear. Can you see these ones coming out? These green and blue branches coming out? Are these the dendrites? Yes. Can you see clearly? Let's see
Yes,
these
ma'am.
brown ones. If I show you over here, Then these brown ones which you can see, these are your the dendrites in a neuron. Now let's understand where will we find a synapse. Let me go back and show you the screen again. You should be able to visualize things, not just learn them. Ab dekho. These are the dendrites. These are all dendrites. Her dendrite ke bahar, you can see this yellow thing over here. This is a junction. This is another dendrite. I mean another neuron. Color se pata chalega beta. Yellow color jo dikh raha hai, this is the part of another neuron. And this light brown color that you have, this is another neuron. So this connecting part, ये जो junction है दोनों के बीच में, this is what we call as synapse. What is this called?
Synapse.
Synapse. There are two types of synapse. Okay, electrical synapse and chemical synapse. How many types of synapse are there? Understand first the electrical one. In electrical synapse, the membrane of the pre and the postsynaptic neurons are in close proximity. Pre-synaptic neuron मतलब नंबर 1 वाला न्यूरॉन जो पहले है. देखो बेटा ऐसे होता है, न्यूरॉन देन साइनैप्स देन अदर न्यूरॉन. तो न्यूरॉन साइनैप्स से पहले वाला जो न्यूरॉन है, वी कॉल इट एज दी प्री साइनैप्टिक न्यूरॉन. एंड न्यूरॉन के बाद वाला जो है, सॉरी साइनैप्स के बाद वाला, दैट इज नोन एज विच neurons are very close to each other, very close proximity. Then you will have which kind of impulse, electrical or chemical? Tell me quickly. Which synapse are we doing, electrical or chemical synapse? Abhi kaun sa wala first we are studying? Electrical. So electrical synapse will be found in those neurons which are very close, distance bahut in axon. तो जैसे axon में ट्रांसमिशन हुआ था बेटा, देखो बिल्कुल सेम वैसे impulse ट्रांसमिशन हो रहा है. Ions flow through these channels. You remember we had these channels in the axon. ऐसे ही बिल्कुल सेम ट्रांसफर होएगा. Impulse transmission is faster in chemical synapse, and electrical synapses are very rare in human system. Very rare in human system. However, chemical synapse is faster. Which one is faster, electrical or chemical? Which one is faster, electrical synapse or chemical synapse?
Electrical.
Electrical.
Okay. Please speak out quickly. How many kinds of synapse are there?
Two types.
of them.
Okay. When will we have electrical synapse? When the
When-
neurons position is what?
Are close.
Yes, beta, they are very close to each other. In the same method, like we did in the axon. Abhi padha tha just the previous topic, beta. You remember difference of ions or here, oh, this is how it was traveling. So in electrical synapse, impulse travels in the same method. Electrical synapses, they said, are very rare in human system. इसको समझो बेटा, जो हमारा CNS है ना, वहां पे इलेक्ट्रिकल साइनेप्सेस होते हैं, जब भी होते हैं न्यूरोकॉर्टेक्स रीजन में. ओके, सो दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिकल साइनेप्स under the control of what? The CNS system. Is it okay, beta? They'll be under the control of beta.
CNS system.
Yes, beta. They're very uncommon. Okay, बहुत ही uncommon रहता है. थोड़ा बहुत human body में you will find these kind of synapses, but because they're so quick, they're very very rare in the human body. तो common कौन से वाले synapse हैं? Chemical. Chemical synapses are more common in the human body. Can you guess electrical synapse क्यों नहीं होते होंगे ज्यादा human body में? Tell me. because it is very very fast. So PNS तो इसको मैनेज नहीं कर पाता है. ओके तो प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है ह्यूमन बॉडी को इसे मैनेज करने के लिए, बिकॉज दिस इम्पल्स इज वेरी वेरी क्विक, वेरी फास्ट बेटा. दैट इज व्हाई दी साइनेप्सेस जो है बहुत ही रेयर होते हैं ह्यूमन बॉडी में बेटा. तो कहाँ कौन से साइनेप्स ज्यादा होंगे? केमिकल केमिकल साइनेप्स.
Synapse.
यस, ये जो आपने 10th में भी पढ़ा होगा वही वाला साइनेप्स है ये. व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस? देयर इज अ स्पेस बिटवीन टू न्यूरॉन्स एंड उसमें एक दिस स्पेस is filled with a fluid, a liquid. This space is called synaptic cleft. What is it called?
Synaptic cleft.
Yes. There is a liquid which is filled inside this space. The cleft may you will also find some kind of swellings. I hope you all know what are swellings. These are known as synaptic knobs. What are these called? देखो. This is presynaptic neuron. दिख रहा है ये वाला presynaptic neuron? ये देखो. ये ब्राउन, ये एक प्री साइनेप्टिक न्यूरॉन, ये पोस्ट साइनेप्टिक न्यूरॉन, और ये बीच का ब्राउन वाला पार्ट है, दिस इज योर साइनेप्टिक क्लेफ्ट. व्हाट इज फिल्ड inside the synaptic cleft? Remember that what is filled inside this is the liquid is filled बेटा. कहीं कहीं पे swellings भी होती है यहाँ पे बीच बीच में, उस जगह को हम साइनेप्टिक नॉब्स कह देते हैं. ये देखो, ये दिख रहे हैं ये ऊपर ऐसे ये swellings. Can you see these swellings, protruding areas? These areas, ये जो बाहर की तरफ निकले हुए हैं, these are known as synaptic knobs. What are they called?
Synaptic knob.
Yes. Which act as neurotransmitters. इसी के अंदर बेटा, knobs के अंदर only you have this substance. ये जो dot dot गोल गोल दिख रहा है, this is a neurotransmitter substance. Mainly we have two substances जो इसमें filled होते हैं. One is adrenaline. I'm sure you know about adrenaline, stress hormone जो हमारा होता है, and the other is acetylcholine. These are the two chemicals which are filled. So there are two types. पहले तो synapse समझते हैं. Supposing ये brown वाला synapse है, synaptic area, तो synapse and synapse area के बाद वाला जो connecting neuron है, that is known as, tell me quickly.
Postsynaptic.
Postsynaptic.
Very good. And दोनों के बीच में ये जो space है, this is your synapse. There are two kinds of synapse. One is electrical, the other is
Chemical.
Chemical.
Electrical. Very good बेटा. Electrical में तो बिल्कुल सेम वही प्रोसेस चलता है जो हमने एक्सॉन में पढ़ा था. चार्जेस डिफर कर जाते हैं, फिर इम्पल्स आगे बढ़ जाता है. दैट इज वेरी रेयर इन ह्यूमंस. ह्यूमंस में ज्यादातर ये वाला मिलेगा, केमिकल साइनेप्स. केमिकल साइनेप्स मींस द synaptic region is filled with a liquid. What is the synaptic area between two neurons called? अभी पढ़ा था. Tell me. Synaptic cleft. What is it called?
Synaptic cleft.
Yes, बेटा. Synaptic cleft मान लेते हैं ये पूरा का पूरा. And ये knobs हैं, थोड़े से swelled areas. What are these knobs called? अभी पढ़ा था. What are these called?
Synaptic knob.
Synaptic knob.
Sometimes we also call them as buttons. जैसे शर्ट में बटन बाहर की तरफ प्रोट्रूडेड होते हैं, बाहर की तरफ निकले रहते हैं. Similarly, ये आपका cleft है, ये बाहर को निकले हुए हैं, swelled areas. So these are synaptic knobs or buttons. Inside this you have a neurotransmitter substance. Pass कर देता है. That substance is known as neurotransmitter substance because it transmits a neural message. What are the basically two chemicals which make this neurotransmitter substance? Tell me. One is adrenaline and the second is? One is adrenaline, the second is acetylcholine. Tell me what is the other one? बोलो बच्चे, which is the second one?
acetylcholine,
Okay, neurotransmitter substance in the human body. This you all should know. It's important from competition point of view also. So this transmitting substance is actually acetylcholine or adrenaline that we have, commonly also known as adrenaline also. थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस बेटा इनके स्ट्रक्चर में होता है बस. बेसिकली बनते तो दोनों एसिटिक एसिड एंड कोलिन से ही है, बट थोड़ा स्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंट हो जाता है इसमें. तो हम इनको फॉर्मूला बिकॉज इनका सेम रहता है, सो वी कैन आल्सो राइट इट एज, और थोड़ा स्ट्रक्चर में डिफरेंस आता है, बट बेसिकली बोथ ऑफ देम आर मेड अप ऑफ एसिटिक एसिड एंड कोलिन. इसीलिए हम इसको एसिटिल कोलिन बोल देते हैं, एसिटिक एसिड एंड कोलिन. सो दैट इज व्हाई दे आर नोन एज, because they are a combination of acetic acid and choline. So that is why they are also called as what, children? Acetyl.
Choline.
Yes, they are also known as acid. It's not chlorine, ना, ये याद रखिएगा. So adrenaline भी वही चीज है, थोड़ा structure में difference आता है, composition से. Chemical synapse. I hope you know what is chemical synapse. When the message will travel through this neurotransmitter substance, impulse reaches the axon terminal. अब हम ये देखेंगे कि impulse आगे कैसे बढ़ेगा. सबसे पहले it is going to reach where? Axon terminal. Fine. Then it will go into the synaptic vesicles. Where will it go? You remember synaptic vesicles? ये देखो. Supposing this is the axon terminal. यहाँ पे terminal मतलब last part. ये आपका axon terminal है. ये arrow दिखती है आपको. Axon terminal से what was this known as? Tell me quickly. ये देखो क्या था ये? Synaptic knob. याद है ना बेटा? क्या था ये?
Synaptic knob.
Synaptic nerve.
Inside this knob only we have vesicles also, which are known as synaptic vesicles. So आपका जो impulse है, it enters the synaptic cleft area, synaptic vesicles में आ गया. यहाँ पे आके अंदर it will bind with the plasma membrane. It will bind with the plasma membrane. As soon as this impulse will bind with the plasma membrane, neurotransmitter substance starts getting released. ये जो आप गोल गोल देख रहे हो, ये एक्सॉन का टर्मिनल एरिया है, लास्ट पार्ट. यहाँ से इम्पल्स ट्रैवल करके यहाँ आ गया. As soon as it will bind with the plasma membrane, यहाँ पे, okay, this will act like a stimuli, and then neurotransmitter substance release होने लग जाएगा. This neurotransmitter substance ये अंदर आई गया है synaptic cleft में. This will combine with the receptors of the postsynaptic membrane. This neurotransmitter substance will combine with the plasma membrane of the postsynaptic neuron. Postsynaptic याद है ना, जो synapse के बाद वाला न्यूरॉन था, उसकी membrane से भी combine कर जाएगा. So when it will combine with that, again channels खुल जाएंगे. See this. This is opening of channels. Can you see so many of ion channels are opening? And आपका entry of ion start हो जाएगा, action potential generate हो जाएगा. Okay? फिर से देखते हैं बेटा, ये जो ऊपर वाला डार्क पिंक दिख रहा है ना, इसको मान लो प्री न्यूरॉन, मतलब साइनाप्स से पहले वाला न्यूरॉन. फिर ये जो ग्रीन एरिया है, ये आपका साइनाप्टिक क्लेफ्ट, बीच का जो एरिया जिसे साइनाप्स बोलते हैं. और ये जो लाइट पिंक दिख रहा है, दिस इज द पोस्ट साइनाप्टिक एरिया. क्लियर? एक बार मैं फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. टेल मी वेरी क्विकली. ये तो हमारा साइनाप्स है. साइनाप्स से पहले वाला क्या होगा? प्री साइनाप्टिक और पोस्ट साइनाप्टिक?
Presynaptic.
Presynaptic.
एंड देन ये आपका साइनाप्टिक एरिया है. इसके बाद वाला ये जो लाइट पिंक दिखाया है, दिस इज विच वन?
Postsynaptic.
Postsynaptic.
सिंपल वर्ड्स में प्री साइनाप्टिक मतलब साइनाप्स से पहले वाला न्यूरॉन, एंड पोस्ट साइनाप्टिक मींस इसके बाद वाला. लेट अस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. ये एक्सॉन था. एक्सॉन टर्मिनल से हमारा इंपल्स आया. It will bind to the plasma membrane. As soon as it will bind to the plasma membrane, what is going to be secreted, children? ये क्या था गोल गोल?
Synaptic knob.
Yes बेटा. It will synaptic knob के अंदर ये क्या रिलीज हो रहा है? What is this substance?
Neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter.
अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा, ये जो गोल गोल दिख रहा है ना, this is neurotransmitter substance. This neurotransmitter substance will now combine with this membrane. ये कौन सी membrane है? Post synaptic वाला area आ गया. Okay. This will combine with the receptors. यहाँ पे receptors हैं post synaptic membrane में, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा ये substance. जैसे वो यहाँ पे आएगा, ये channels खुल जाएंगे. These channels are known as ion channels. Okay. When these channels will open, the ions will be allowed to move out. दिख रहे हैं ये ion channels खुले हुए? From here, the ions will come out. And potential will be generated, which is known as action potential. Such kind of a synapse is known as which synapse? Electrical or chemical?
Chemical. Chemical.
Last time I am taking up, ये first वाला neuron है synapse से पहले वाला, ये area जो दिख रहा है ये presynaptic. From here the impulse comes, it binds with this one. ये जो area है आपका. As soon as it binds, क्या release होना start हो जाता है? What is this round round?
Neurotransmitter.
Neurotransmitter.
And then it transmits. देखो यहाँ पे भी release हो रहा है, यहाँ पे release हो रहा है. From here it will combine with, यहाँ से यहाँ आ जाएगा. There are some receptors on this membrane. ये post synaptic membrane है. So it will bind with this. जैसे वो post synaptic membrane पे आएगा, ये neurotransmitter substance यहाँ पे आएगा. ये channels खुल जाएंगे. Ion channels. So they will allow the entry of ions. Ions जो है वो pre-synaptic से synapse में गए. Synapse से कहाँ पे आ गए? Post synaptic में आ गए. यानी impulse जो है वो move कर रहा है. Yesterday also we said impulse movement क्या था? Just movement of ions पे था. तो यहाँ पे भी ions ने move किया. From pre-synaptic to synapse and then to post-synaptic. So this is how a synapse travels. Excuse me. Let's move on to the human neural system. Still, if you feel you have not understood, please let me know. I'll take up that part again. Human neural system, we have CNS and we have PNS. When I say CNS, I mean the brain. दिख रहा है बेटा सबको yellow yellow, and this yellow which means spinal cord. And we have PNS. PNS is again of two types: somatic neural system and autonomic neural system. Little bit you must have done in class 10. I'm sure not the details of course, but kara hai. CNS, let's move on to brain. Brain is protected in a cavity. बहुत संभाल के रखते हैं. This cavity is known as cranial cavity. Okay. It has 3 layered connective tissues. Cranial meninges. ब्रेन को बहुत सेफ रखना पड़ता है, तो उसके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए सबसे बाहर तो ये देखो, ये खाली जगह जो होती है, दिस इज नोन एज कैविटी. इसके अंदर हमने ब्रेन रख रखा है. सो दिस कैविटी विल बी नोन एज क्रेनियल कैविटी. कैविटी जिसके अंदर ब्रेन होता है, दैट कैविटी इज कॉल्ड क्रेनियल कैविटी. It has 3 layered membranes. 3 layered membranes are there. Okay, how many layers are there? 3. We call them as cranial meninges. What are these called as? All the 3 together? Cranial meninges. What are they called? Cranial meninges. Let me show them to you. यहाँ पे देखो बेटा, जो outer वाली है, ये देखो, ये purple दिख रही है, purple. This is the outer one. This is called dura mater. What is it called?
Dura mater.
Yes.
Dura
और
mater.
होते हैं, ये बीच में ये डार्क ब्राउन कलर जो दिख रहा है, मिडिल लेयर, एरिकनॉइड मेटर. एरिकनॉइड मेटर. एंड सबसे अंदर वाली जो दिख रही है आपको, ये वाली लाइट वाली, दिस इज पाया मेटर. सो वी हैव 3 मेम्ब्रेन्स टुगेदर. तीनों को मिला के व्हेन वी गिव अ नेम, वी कॉल इट एज क्रेनियल मेनिंजेस. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द लेयर्स, देन द आउटर वन इज नोन एज, ये पर्पल वाला बताइए, व्हाट इज दिस आउटर वन नोन एज? You can see it over here. If you cannot read here, outer one is called dura
Mater.
Everything there on your screen, children. Everything written. You have to just speak out. Dura mater. Which is the middle one? You can read here.
Arachnoid meter.
Arachnoid meter. Arachnoid meter.
And the inner one, this one, the lighter one is?
Pia meter.
Pia meter.
All these 3 together are known as cranial meninges. There is a space between the middle and the inner one. Okay? Not the outer one. I'm talking about the space between the inner one and the middle one. This is called as subarachnoid space. Subarachnoid space इन दोनों के बीच में space between the middle one and the inner one is known as subarachnoid space. And this space, beta, the one which exists between middle and inner, it's filled with the fluid, it's filled with the liquid, which is called cerebrospinal fluid. What is it called?
Cerebrospinal fluid.
Chalo, now I want you people to speak out. Brain is protected or kept in a cavity which is known as?
Cranial cavity.
Cranial cavity.
I go so slow, but you people have to respond. All the three membranes together are known as?
Cranial meninges.
Cranial meninges.
Very good. The outer one is known as?
Dura mater.
Good.
Dura mater.
Very good, very good. The middle one?
Arachnoid mater.
Arachnoid mater.
And the inner one?
Pia mater.
Pia mater.
There is a space between the middle and the inner layer, between the arachnoid and pia mater. What is that space called?
Subarachnoid mater.
Arachnoid space.
Arachnoid space.
Right.
Which is known as? Filled with the fluid which is called?
Cerebrospinal fluid.
Good. Cerebrospinal fluid. ये देखो बेटा, ये सब arachnoid space है ये बीच का, between the middle and the inner one, not the outer one, between the middle and the inner one. And this is filled with a liquid which is known as CSF, that is cerebrospinal fluid. Let's talk about the three divisions of brain beta. Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. ये पढ़ रखा है. Let's have the scientific names for them. Forebrain, which you have done in junior classes, is actually called as, what is it called? Prosencephalon. Prosencephalon. The midbrain is called mesencephalon and hindbrain is called robinsilon. ये याद कर सकते हैं तो करिए, otherwise those who are interested in NEET competitions and all, they may learn this. Let's do this. Let's understand ये कहाँ पे क्या क्या हो रहा है. देखो बेटा, ये जो पार्ट आपको दिख रहा है ना, ये this hindbrain part, फिर ये जो दिख रहा है ये brown, ये आपका हो गया midbrain part. What is this? Midbrain. And ये जो पार्ट आ रहा है ये आपका हो गया forebrain. Let me go to details about this. अब देखो ठीक से. The forebrain area, also known as prosencephalon. Anterior part है. Anterior means आगे वाला part है. It consists of three things. ठीक. First is your cerebrum. If you see this cerebrum, can you see this पूरा का पूरा बड़ा brown ये जितना भी बड़ा structure दिख रहा है, this is your cerebrum. Okay. Then it has thalamus. Can you see this red वाला बड़ा? This is thalamus. And ये जो छोटा वाला red part ये दिख रहा है, this is hypothalamus. तो तीन parts हो गए बेटा हमारे. ये जो पूरा बड़ा वाला part है ये yellow shaded है ना, this is your forebrain. So this is cerebrum. ये पूरा बाहर वाला. This बड़ा वाला red is your thalamus. This is your hypothalamus. Thalamus and hypothalamus together are also known as diencephalon, because दो चीजें हैं, they are also known as diencephalon. Okay, tell me what are the three main parts of the forebrain? Cerebrum. You can see over here the yellow part. One is cerebrum, the other is
Thalamus.
thalamus, and the third is?
Hypothalamus.
Hypothalamus.
Okay. What is this one? This brown bada? What is it? Tell me quickly. बताओ बच्चे क्या है ये? This is cerebrum. और ये बड़ा वाला red अगर लेबल करने को आए तो this बड़ा वाला red is what?
Thalamus.
Thalamus.
And this छोटा वाला red just attached to the thalamus here is?
Hypothalamus.
Hypothalamus.
Thalamus. तो ये तीनों मिलके cerebrum, thalamus, hypothalamus, CTH, they form your forebrains. अच्छा, let's move on to the further part of it. I said the first part of forebrain is cerebrum. तो हम cerebrum को detail में देख लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. ठीक. This is the largest part of the brain. ये देखो. I showed you in this also. I said ये पूरा जितना भी बाहर बड़ा बड़ा ब्राउन ब्राउन दिख रहा है ये सब forebrain है. Cerebrum. देखो बेटा, this is the largest part. अगर इसे ध्यान से देखो, इसको यहाँ से कट करके देखें अगर हम बीच में से, तो it has two parts, two cerebral hemispheres, the right hemisphere, the left hemisphere, and दोनों के दोनों hemispheres जो हैं, they are kept together, they are held together by nerve fibers. बीच में ये देखो, यहाँ पे clear दिखेगा. They are connected together with the help of nerve fibers, which are known as corpus callosum. What are these fibers called? Corpus callosum. What are they called, beta?
Corpus callosum.
Callosum.
Forebrain का first part कौन सा था? जो सबसे बड़ा है, brown, the largest part of the brain. What is it called?
Cerebrum.
Cerebrum.
Very good. Cerebrum has two parts or two hemispheres, the right and the left hemisphere, and they're kept together, they're joined together with the help of fibers, nerve fibers. ये देखो एक cleft है, partition. And they're kept, यहाँ ऊपर partition दिख रहा है, नीचे ये जुड़ जाते हैं. They're kept together with the help of these fibers. Okay? What are these fibers called as? यहाँ पे clear दिखा है, वो यहाँ पे मिलेंगे आपको. Corpus.
Corpus callosum.
Yes, corpus callosum. Last में I will ask you again. Just give me 1 second. अच्छा चलो, मैं इसको बोलती हूँ. Which part is this? जल्दी से बताओ. Inner brain का कौन सा part है ये?
Cerebrum.
Cerebrum.
This can be cut into two hemispheres. Which two hemispheres? Tell me. इधर से काट देते हैं. थोड़ा
Right
थोड़ा
and
ध्यान.
left.
Right and left.
Good. The right and the left are connected by
Corpus callosum.
Corpus callosum.
very good. Corpus callosum. So you remember this part. Let me move on further. Again, here. The outer part of the cerebrum, because cerebrum इतना बड़ा है तो उसको भी दो parts में divide कर ले. Outer part of the cerebrum is called cerebral cortex. What is it called? Cerebral cortex. Beta, it has convulsions and depressions. Convulsions means जो बाहर को निकली चीज है वो convulsion हो गई, जो अंदर को मुड़ा हुआ ये depression हो गया. देखो, ये convulsion हो गया बाहर की तरफ, और जो अंदर की तरफ मुड़ रहा है, this is depressions. And this is formed of gray matter. This is formed of which matter? Tell me. Gray matter. Gray क्यों है? Because we have neuron cell bodies present over here. तो जो बाहर वाला पार्ट है सेरेब्रम का वो ग्रे है, जो अंदर वाला पार्ट है दिस इज व्हाइट मैटर. द इनर पार्ट इज फॉर्म्ड ऑफ व्हाट? व्हाइट मैटर. बिफोर आई कम टू दिस, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस टू यू. आउटर पार्ट ऑफ सेरेब्रम, सेरेब्रम बहुत बड़ा है. इधर देखते हैं तो ये जो आउटर पार्ट दिखता है बेटा, ये बड़ा वाला, ये पूरा बाहर का, दिस इज कॉल्ड सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड?
Cerebral cortex.
सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स में आपको कन्वर्जन्स एंड डिप्रेशंस दोनों मिलेंगे. ये बाहर की तरफ जो प्रोट्रूडिंग हो गया ये कन्वर्जन है, जो अंदर की तरफ मुड़ रहे हैं दीज आर डिप्रेशंस. आउटसाइड वी हैव दिस मैटर, ये जो ब्राउन ब्राउन दिखता है दिस इज ग्रे मैटर. एंड ग्रे कलर क्यों होता है? बिकॉज यू हैव न्यूरॉन्स की सेल बॉडीज होती है यहाँ पे, सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस कलर अपीयर्स टू बी ग्रे. जो बीच का पार्ट है, इनर पार्ट, दिस इज व्हाइट मैटर. The inner part is which matter?
White matter.
चलो, let me go back and ask you again. यहाँ पे करते हैं. This is your cerebrum. The outer part is called? अभी बताया था. What is the outer part called?
Cerebral cortex.
Yes, very good. It is called cortex. It has convulsions, depressions. बाहर वाला क्या है बेटा? ग्रे और व्हाइट मैटर. व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट एज?
Gray matter.
Gray matter.
वो ग्रे दिखता है बिकॉज न्यूरॉन की सेल बॉडीज होती है वहां पे विच आर ग्रे इन कलर, सो इट इज कॉल्ड ग्रे मैटर. इफ यू रिमेंबर, ग्रे मैटर व्हाइट मैटर न्यूरॉन में भी पढ़ा था. एंड द इनर पार्ट, यस, इनर पार्ट इज ग्रे और व्हाइट.
White.
White matter.
सो वी हैव आउटर पार्ट ऑफ द सेरेब्रम, सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स हो गया, ग्रे मैटर, एंड इनर पार्ट इज व्हाइट मैटर. अब सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स, व्हेन आई से सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स मतलब बाहर वाला पूरा एरिया, उसमें we can divide it into 3 areas. Motor area होता है एक तो. This controls the voluntary movement of muscles. Voluntary, you know, जो आपकी मर्जी से movements होते हैं, they are known as voluntary movements. So बाहर वाला जो part है, हमारा जो cortex है, इसको हमने function के base पे, see, on the basis of the color, हमने इसको दो में already divide कर दिया. Outer one is grey matter, inner one is white matter. अब functions के base पे हम इसको 3 parts में divide करेंगे. One area is known as motor area, जो सारी आपकी voluntary movements को control करेगा. There is another area which is known as sensory area. This will control the sense organs का function. And the third is associated area. Neither clearly sensory है इसका function, ना motor function है. Basically memory and communication में help करता है. This is association area. So on the basis of structure beta, we made it into 2 parts. Cortex outer वाला gray matter था, inner वाला कौन सा था?
White matter.
Good. And on the basis of functions, we have 3 areas. The area which controls movement of muscles is called
Motor area.
motor area. The area which controls the function of sense organs,
Sensory area.
sensory area. And आपका association area basically concerned with memory and
Communication.
yes. थोड़ा सा देख लो, इतना डिटेल में नहीं याद करना है बच्चों. ये जो येलो येलो पार्ट दिख रहा है ना, ये आपका वर्बल एरिया है, कम्युनिकेशन. दिस पार्ट कंट्रोल्स योर कम्युनिकेशन पार्ट. ये बीच का जो ग्रीन पार्ट है, ये मोटर एरिया है. लेट मी हाइड दिस. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर वी हैड द डिविजन इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. द आउटर वन वाज ग्रे मैटर, द इनर वन वाज
White matter.
on the basis of functions. We can divide the cortex into 3 parts. Which is the first part?
Sensory area.
Chalo, sensory area. It controls the sense organs. Functions में second part.
And first one motor, second is
Motor.
sensory.
You can change the sequence there. Motor area. Motor area will control which actions?
Movement of muscles.
Yes. And what about the
Vol-
association area? Association area का function क्या है बेटा?
Memory and communication.
So we have done motor area, sensory area. See this. Integrated activities of different centers of the cortex. Now, what is the cortex? Integrated activities. All the 3 areas, sensory area, motor area, associated area, तीनों integrated activities मिलके काम करेंगे. And they are going to control intelligence, memory, judgment, learning, thinking, and speech. All 3 are going to work together. So obviously, intelligence, memory, judgment, learning, thinking, speech is in the control of which part? That is your brain. Which part were we talking about? Brain. But forebrain का first part हमने आज करा. Which was the first part of forebrain? याद करिए. Cortex.
Cerebrum.
Let me go. Yes, cerebrum. And which were the other 2 parts? Thalamus and
Hypothalamus.
I have done only the first part today, that is cerebrum with you. A quick revision of cerebrum. This is the largest part. How many hemispheres it has? Bolu beta, only 2 minutes are left. How many hemispheres it has?
1, 2.
2.
2.
They are connected by nerve fibers which are called
What
Corpus callosum.
good, corpus callosum. Outer part of the cerebrum, what is it called?
Cerebral cortex.
Very good. Cerebral cortex. And this is made up of gray matter. And inner part is made up of which matter?
White.
White matter. 3 parts on the basis of function. We can divide the cerebral cortex. One is motor area. What are the other 2?
Sensory area.
Yes. And
Association area.
Association area.
which area is going to control the function of sense organs?
Sensory area.
area.
Good. Voluntary movement of muscles.
Motor
Motor
area.
area.
And ये मिल के काम करने के लिए इंटरसेंसरी है ये, मतलब ये भी और ये भी मिल के काम करेगा. विच इज दिस एरिया नोन एज?
association area.
It is the associated area. This is the associated area. Now, what are the functions performed by the cortex intelligence? Memory, judgment, learning,
Judgment.
thinking, and even speech, which you people don't speak. This is also being controlled by what part? This is also controlled by cortex of your brain. So I have just done one part of the forebrain today. We said the brain can be divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. इतना सबको आना चाहिए. Forebrain has three parts. Name them quickly. Beta, the yellow thing is on your screen. What are the three parts of forebrain? Cerebrum. I will only ask questions. I will only give answers. Cerebrum, which is the next one?
Thalamus and hypothalamus.
Thalamus, hypothalamus.
Cerebrum again can be divided into two parts. The left and the right hemispheres, which are connected by
Corpus
connected-
callosum.
yes, corpus callosum. The outer matter is called what? Gray or white?